20-year-old tribal woman was allegedly gang raped by a group of youth as a result of some verdict given by the so-called Salis Sabha in a village in West Bengal. This is the fact of life. So my specific question to the Honorable Minister through you, Madam, is the government aware of prevalence of such unconstitutional bodies in our country who take law into their own hand and pronounce judgment as per their own sweet will? Is it a social menace, whether we call it as a Khap Panchayat, whether we call it a Praja Court and the like? So my question to you, to the Minister through you, is that, is the government aware of this? And if so, what they are doing to get out of the menace after 67 years of independence of our country?